All parts used in this video will be listed with direct links in the description. This is the wiring loom that I ordered from Amazon. It's 30 feet long, which should be plenty for what I'm trying to do. I also decided to add 2 lights to the bull bar. I'll be using the same lights that I purchased for the light bar. Here are the mounts I ordered for the 2-inch bull bar. Again, all parts will be listed below. Installation was very easy. All that's left to do is wire everything up. More accessories that I'll be using. Here are the wires for the 4 pre-wired auxiliary buttons. 2 of them are 30 amp, 2 of them are 15 amp. This is the first time using a hand torch with the solder seal connectors. I believe a hot air gun would work better until I get more practice with the hand torch. If you don't have a hand torch or solder seal connectors, you can still use a good old soldering iron and solder. Should end up looking something like this. I want to follow the harness for the front bumper fog lights. There are plenty of areas within the engine bay to get to the outside. You could remove the close-out panel for easier access. Now I'll wire in the other part of the waterproof connector and tidy everything up. I'll be using the 30 amp pre-wired buttons for the lights. Auxiliary 1 will be used for the lights on the bull bar, auxiliary 2 will be used for the lights on the light bar. The negative wire connects to the negative post on the battery. This nut is a 10 mm. Time to move on to the light bar. I want to keep these somewhat modular. Just make sure to tape everything up to keep the water out. I'll be running the wiring through the light bar instead of the outside. I'll drill 2 5/8 holes, one at the top and one at the bottom. Don't forget the rubber grommets. I'm using a stepper bit here. I also painted the bare metal before installing the grommets. I also installed another waterproof connector in case I need to remove the light bar. A quick test before running the wiring beneath the body and into the engine bay. I didn't take a lot of pictures of this process because I was trying to beat an incoming thunderstorm. Everything is buttoned up now. One final test and then I'll do another when it gets darker outside.